Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 dog memes by market cap, but we're going to do under 500 million. We've already gone through AI memes, Tron memes. Tron is new to us. Cat memes, and then we're going to end the week with dog memes. We're not going to do a Dogecoin because Dogecoin is already at 54 billion. Sheep is already 13 billion. So I'm like, hey, yo, bro, it's already 13 billion. Okay, so we're gonna start with under 1 billion market cap. We don't do under 500, we do under 1 billion, right? Even 1 billion to me sounds truly insane, and there are plenty, to be honest, plenty of opportunities in the under 1 billion market cap range. We've already done Mew as cat. I'm not so sure why it's in the dog category, probably because there's the word dog here. But we're gonna continue with NEIRO, the first one on Ethereum, BabyDoge, Dogs, 1M BabyDoge, OSAK, MYRO, ELON, Bone, NEIRO, and then we'll end it with Billy. Let's get straight into it. NEIRO, okay, the first NEIRO on Ethereum, it just keeps rising higher and higher and higher. Any tradable chart pattern? No. Nothing much for us to work with. If anything, this is a triple bearish divergence. I don't have the RSI and MACD with me, but you don't want to see marginally higher high, right? When things rally, right, you want it to rally like this. Poo, poo. But once you see a rally goes, you know, yeah, no, we want to see this kind of rally, right? So once this has happened like twice, it's ridiculous to expect NEIRO to keep doing things like this. You see, it just doesn't work that way. So if anything, yeah, you want to have an edge, but you wouldn't know at this point of time whether it's going to be like this or is it going to be a very slow crawl up, right? Like what's happening right now, very slow crawl up. So you can feel that the weakness is coming in for NEIRO on Ethereum. The first NEIRO on Ethereum. BabyDoge. So for BabyDoge, we actually have a target over here, and these targets which we have acquired since last year, and we're still expecting it to hit. Reason being, we've yet to take out this low, we've yet to take out this low. We keep forming higher lows, you see. We were expecting these lows to hold as well, but eventually, yeah, the whales drop down, clear all these clusters of cells, and then push the price back up. And again, to be very careful, right, because BabyDoge has gone up above the skinny pink line many times, and we were expecting a breakout. It didn't break out. What happened? It came back under the skinny pink line. Broke out, and now I'm back under the skinny pink line. Breakout. Okay, bro. Is this it? Is this it? No, we don't know. Right. We keep getting lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, which is good. Higher lows and lower highs means that it's squeezing. Means that a potential big breakout could be coming on for BabyDoge, and this could just go bananas. We're hoping for bananas for BabyDoge, but let's just take things one step at a time for BabyDoge. Dogs. Dogs against USDT. So there's nothing much for dogs at the moment. However, there is a potential squeeze coming on, right? This whole thing could be an A, up for a B, down for a C. Up for a D, and then once we get an E, maybe around here, we consider a trade. This will be in December though, if it does happen. So we need the information first over here. And to get the information, we need to give father time, the time to do its thing. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see what the whales do over here, right? I mean, of course, we could just start reversing back up, and this whole thing could become an inverse head and shoulders as well. So yeah, we're just gonna have to be patient, and we're gonna have to wait and see what the whales have got up their sleeves. BabyDoge, 1M BabyDoge. Oh, this is different. I see. I thought it was the same. 1M. 1M BabyDoge. I think it's the same though, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's the same. No? Really? Wait. 1M BabyDoge. It's only on Binance though. I'm assuming it's the same thing. Because the movements are they are just similar. So it's just yeah, 6 zeros. You minus 6 zeros, you get this. So it's actually the same thing, to be honest. OSAK. Okay, let's look at OSAK. Anything for OSAK? No, the last I saw, I don't think there's anything much. For OSAK, Osaka is just mucking around the skinny pink line. Sure, you may argue that this is an inverse head and shoulders. We could see a breakout coming on, right? Yeah, but we're touching the skinny pink line, right? I would have preferred it if OSAK did something like this. We've got a right shoulder over here. Ooh, this would have been fantastic. But as it stands, yeah, no. MYRO USDT. Here we are for MYRO. Anything for MYRO? No. We're hitting a skinny pink line. Right, so potentially, this could be a rising channel. Right, rising channels usually break lower. So that's the potential move for MYRO. You know, towards the downside. Sure, we may get something like an inverse head and shoulders, but wouldn't call it high quality. But yeah, no, we'll just move on. We'll just move on from MYRO. Elon Musk. Elon Mars, not Elon Musk. So Doge Elon Mars is up here. We came down. We went sideways. But I think we took out the highs over here. Did we? Okay, let me just check. Very low is 11318. This is 131. Okay, we almost took out the lows, but we didn't. And then there's a strong rally. And we're above the skinny pink line, right? There were many times as well when we went above the skinny pink line, but we failed to you know, sustain the move up. If you could just consolidate here a little bit, oh, this would be nice. A very nice potential squeeze coming on, right? This would be bananas potentially, right? But of course you have to take profits as we go up, right? All the noisy areas to take profits from. So as it stands, yeah, no, we want to see the consolidation first. So we'll come back to Elon one fine day. Bone against USDT. Here we are for Bone. Anything for Bone Shiba swap? Nope. But for Bone, previously, let me just show you. Previously, Bone had something interesting. What I mean by that is, if you look at Bone, right? In the early beginnings, there was actually a potential squeeze that could have happened for Bone. But yeah, it didn't happen. Let me show you. You see this? A, B, C, D. We're expecting an E, right? A nice breakout to come. But it didn't come. What happened? It dropped lower. The moment we take out these highs, it's like, okay, that's danger. And then after that, we took out these highs. Sorry, these lows. We took out these lows, and yeah, that's it. We're down. However, we have yet to take out these lows. So again, still a potential for Bone Shiba swap to do something like this, right? But yeah, we would love to see it break above the skinny pink line. Consolidate a little bit first before breaking higher, right? So yeah, market cap's at 100 mil at this low point. If you were to go up to the highs here, this could be a potential 10x, but we don't know yet. We could still take out these lows. So yeah, this whole thing could just morph into a falling channel, to be honest, right? You can see this. So there is that danger as well. So yeah, I would preach caution. NEIRO on Ethereum. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the coin. NEIRO USDT. Binance? NEIRO ETH USDT. Okay. On Maxi, you will see that NEIRO ETH is in a very nice squeeze. Very, very nice squeeze. But we don't know whether if you're going to be clearing all these clusters of cells first. Right, the whales could be doing some shenanigans. Drop down to, let's say, sub 4 cents before going back up. There is that potential as well, right? If you pull up a Fibonacci retracement for NEIRO ETH, yeah, we might just clear all these clusters of cells, right? We may not stop at 0.618 though. We may drop to 786 first, right? Have a prolonged with C. Right, but again, we are very close to the resistance line over here. So once this resistance line breaks, we rise, we consolidate. I'm expecting yeah, a potential big breakout. But of course, you have to take profits as we go along, because things might still come back lower. So yeah, but anyway, we have a target here. Ta-da! $1.30. We are hopeful, and we remain hopeful that NEIRO ETH will see a breakout towards the upside. So 130, let's go NEIRO ETH. Billy, okay, let's look at Billy. Billy, USDT. Let's look at it on Gate. Yeah, nothing much for us to work with. Let's look at it on Dex Tools 5 months ago. I think it's the same thing. A spec. Look at this cute little doggy. Yeah, there's nothing much for us to work with. Yes, there is a rally. You see, there are two things that could happen at the moment, right? We could do something like this, or this whole thing could be like an ABC. This whole thing could be just a wave A coming down. So we're not too sure yet about Billy, right? If anything, we are still expecting Billy to be in an accumulation phase for several more months at least. So we'll probably get the opportunity to make a move, right? If anything, this whole thing could be a 1, down for 2. We're in the midst of a 3, 4, we get a 5, right? Going up to potentially 16 cents. Right now we're at 7 cents. So, yeah, if anything, I would preach about being safe, about not rushing in, wait for a proper retrace first. So in the small time frames, we could probably see some opportunities for entries, but yeah, again, look at the longer wicks at the top compared to the wicks at the bottom, right? This means that there is some selling pressure coming on for Billy. Right, as we hit 10 cents, it's a psychological number. Right now we're at 7 cents. How much lower are we gonna go? Not too sure. Nothing much for us to work with for Billy, right? We know that potentially it could go to 16, 17 cents, maybe even 18, but yeah, if the opportunity comes for us, right? If we see a nice consolidation, nice bullish continuation chart pattern, we'll probably take a trade for it to probably 16, 17 cents. So yeah, there you go. That's the master plan for Billy. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!